Move the part to its place. Move the part to the right place. Move the part to its place. Move the part to its place. Drag the part to the right place. Move the part to its place. Move the part to the right place. Move the part to its place. Done! First, we have to fill it. Excavator! Drag the refueling gun to the tank. Pump. Keep it up. Let's dig a hole for the fountain. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Let's fix the rusting. Drag the grinding tool over the stain and it will clean the rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. Drag the paint gun over the stain to paint it over. You're doing really great. We did it!